Yes, Kajal. Hi, Kajal, you had raised your hand. I have allowed you to talk. Tell me. So we still have 6-7 minutes to go. Till then, if you have any questions for me, we can talk. You can unmute yourself and share. What is it that you are expecting from this webinar today? I understand that it is not easy, to take out 40 minutes of your busy Saturday evening to join anybody, for that matter me. तो आपका take home क्या चाहते हो आप? What is it that you expect from this webinar? Because the topic is such that I am sure we can have different expectations. Anybody please write in the chat box, yes, you can, if you can hear me. Please write in the chat box, yes, if you can hear me clearly. Perfect. So Dhania says yes, Deepti says yes, thank you. Snail says yes, thank you, thank you. So I have shared a link in the chat box. Please click on this link and fill this. I think the benefit of coming early is you will get time to think and fill this form. Wow, Neha. Perfect, Neha. I will make sure that you get to know some tips about autoimmune diseases today. So, very interestingly, friends, today's webinar is going to be slightly different from all the other webinars I do. And I will tell you how it will be different in a little time. Any other expectations from this webinar? What is it that you want to know in this webinar? Alka Seth is saying, teach functional medicine. I'm planning to start, Alka. I think that's a beautiful science and it can help a lot of us. Anything else you're looking at from this webinar? So whatever I am trying to cover, I don't think people are expecting that. What is it that you think you will get to know in this webinar today? We still have 2 more minutes to go. Anybody who wants to say something, please feel free and write in the chat box. And meanwhile, please click on that link and fill the questionnaire. Please let me know if you've got the link. Good evening, Jyoti. Thanks for joining in. Great. So just fill this questionnaire and we are ready to start. Yes, Rajesh, you're wanting to say something. I've unmuted you. Please tell. Thank you, Deepti. So if you have filled the questionnaire which I've shared, please give me a yes in the chat box. Great, Neha. So only Neha has filled it till now. So let's give 2 minutes more to all the participants so that they can fill this questionnaire. Jyoti, hopefully as we go on, the voice will become better. Perfect. So anybody else who has filled the form? Please give me a yes if you have been able to fill the form. Wow, great, Shweta. Kavita, awesome. Perfect. So the topic for today is vitamin D in COVID times and autoimmunity. So if I have to again say it, what it is autoimmunity, vitamin D, and COVID. Right? So are you excited about what I'm going to disclose today? Give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you think you will get to learn something new today. Perfect. So all those who don't know me, I am Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal. I bring with myself 30 years of experience in healthcare. And I practice functional medicine in Gurgaon presently. Now, what is functional medicine? Functional medicine is the future medicine or the medicine of the 21st century. And why do I say that? Because in the last 5 years, I've been practicing functional medicine. And I can't tell you how happy and contented I feel when I do it. Functional medicine works on the cause of the disease. And we all know that 80% of deaths today are happening because of anybody who can tell me 80% of deaths are happening because of lifestyle diseases. Do you agree with me? If you agree with me, give me a yes in the chat box. Yes, very good, Deepti. Low immunity and lifestyle diseases. So in functional medicine, what we do, we work on the cause. And because this is lifestyle diseases, फर्स्ट वी करेक्ट द लाइफस्टाइल. हम सबने सुना होगा कि अगर घर की नींव पक्की नहीं होती तो घर गिरने का डर रहता है, राइट? सो द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग हैज टू बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. सिमिलरली इन लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस there is no one pill which can heal our lifestyle diseases. So allopathy mein, homeopathy mein, majorly allopathy mein, the challenge which I always faced for 25 years was, हमें ये बताया गया था कि एक पिल दे दोगे बीमारी ठीक हो जाएगी. और वो गलत नहीं था. गलत क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि जब हमें वो बताया गया था, यू नो, आई एम 1989 बैच अमृतसर मेडिकल कॉलेज, उस टाइम पे मेजॉरिटी डिजीजेस इन्फेक्शियस होती थी. ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, मलेरिया, डायसेंट्रीज, एक्सीडेंट्स, एंड उन सब में एलोपैथी वर्क्स वंडर्स. कोई भी अगर एक्यूट सिचुएशन है हमारी, ओनली थिंग विच कैन सेव अस इज एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन, राइट? बट in the last 25-30 years, what we have seen is lifestyle diseases are increasing, cancer is increasing, diabetes is increasing. We never saw so many PCOS cases, never saw so many migraine cases, never had so much low progesterone, low testosterone. And that is where science and medicine also needs to change. And that is where, when science and medicine has to change, functional medicine came up. So we first correct the lifestyle. We change your diet, sleep, stress management, exercise, and then we balance your hormones. We work on your nutritional deficiencies, and naturally we heal your body. So much so that even 70% of, you know, heart blockages can be cleared, diabetes can completely be reversed, migraine can completely be cured, and I can go on and on and on, right? So this is what I do. I've helped a lot of people, you know, get out of their diseases and learn it. So when I say functional medicine, or when I talk about COVID and autoimmunity, let's see what happens in our bodies. Guys, am I loud and clear? If yes, please give me a yes in the chat box. Wow, great, great, great. So look at this. This is how our body looks, our lifestyle looks, the patient's biological landscape. High stress job. If you do daily yoga, you bring it back a little. And when I say yoga, I don't mean active yoga or, you know, where your heartbeat increases. When I say here yoga, it means your breathing exercises, balancing our parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. Food reactions. कल ही मैं किसी को बता रही थी that we Indians are blessed. Why are we blessed? Because till few years back, we had 2 to 4% of allergy cases in Indians only, right? So what has changed? In the last few years, this percentage has increased to about 40%. Can you believe how much that is? Right? So food reactions have become very, very common, and autoimmunity or immunity gets really hampered or really decreases if we have any sort of food reactions. अगर हमें ग्लूटेन से एलर्जी है, हमें लैक्टोन से एलर्जी है, हमारा गट हेल्दी नहीं है, तो सबसे पहला काम क्या होगा? हमारी इम्यूनिटी खराब हो जाएगी, right? If we avoid reactive foods, we come back to normal health. Therefore, elimination diet does wonders in autoimmune cases. राइट? टेस्ट ग्लाइसीमिया, हमारा इंसुलिन जब ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा होता, दैट इज ह्यूज, राइट? एंड फाइनली हम गिरते कब हैं? व्हेन डू वी फॉल इन दिस? व्हेन आवर गट गोज फॉर अ टॉस. I think all of us now know gut health is very critical. Yes? अगर गट हेल्थ है तो सब कुछ है. हमारे एंसेस्टर्स जो थे, दे न्यू द इम्पोर्टेंस, इसीलिए वो गट हेल्थ पे बहुत फोकस करते थे. हमारे खाने में अचार, फर्मेंटेड फूड्स इतने सारे ऑलरेडी हैं, that as Indians we are very blessed. But what happened? In the last few years हमने अपना खाना छोड़कर वेस्टर्न खाना खाना शुरू कर दिया. Yes or no? Do you agree with me? And just because हमने वो वेस्टर्न खाना शुरू कर दिया, we have landed in this situation of chronic dysbiosis. When I say 40% of us are struggling to heal our gut, it is not a joke. Right? So look at this. So when does this person falls? जब हमारा gut dysbiosis ठीक नहीं होता and the problem arises. अब इस gut dysbiosis से सबसे बड़ी एक problem क्या हो रही है? So I'll tell you something before I move forward. And I am also waiting कि आप लोग मुझे बताओ कि gut dysbiosis से सबसे बड़ी problem क्या हो रही है? And I'm looking at the chat box. Until then, I'm going to share with you something. You know, India में as I said, gut dysbiosis हो ही नहीं रहा था, है ना? अब almost 40% हम में से हमें gut dysbiosis हो रहा है. Gut में fungal infection Indians के कभी नहीं थी. But now when we study the gut microbiome, we see fungal infections have really increased in the Indian microbiome. एंड ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसा मल्टीपल रीजन से हो रहा है और एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है that we are made emotionally with a different makeup. बट हम वेस्टर्नाइज कल्चर की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, हम उस तरह का स्ट्रेस ले नहीं पा रहे एंड इट इज हार्मिंग अस मोर देन इट इज हार्मिंग एनीबडी एल्स. राइट? एंड द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस व्हिच हैज हैपेंड, गट डिसबायोसिस की वजह से हमारी न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसीज बढ़ गई हैं. इफ यू एग्री विद मी, रिसेंटली हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक कि विटामिन डी, B12 की डेफिशिएंसी हम सबको आ रही है? कितने लोगों ने अपना विटामिन डी, B12 वगैरह चेक कराया है रिसेंटली? गट इज आवर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Right. So what is happening is because of dysbiosis, our body is not able to absorb vitamin D, make B12, zinc, magnesium, and we are becoming deficient. Now let's look at some data. A study was done where it was found that in Srinagar, 83% of adults did not have enough vitamin D. 76.7% of adults in urban areas and 70% in rural areas have deficient vitamin D. 93% children are deficient in vitamin D. Look at Lucknow data. 93% adults and 84% pregnant women are deficient in vitamin D. In Mumbai, 70% adults are deficient. Tirupati, 88% urban adults are deficient. Why? Because of our changing lifestyle, because of our ACs, because of our in-house, staying inside for a long time. But इससे हो क्या रहा है? विटामिन डी पे इतनी स्टडीज हैं which are saying that अगर हम अपना विटामिन डी लेवल्स 50 से 70 के बीच में रख पाएं तो हमें कोविड नहीं होगा, और अगर होगा तो हमें कोविड की कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं होंगी. तो हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस एक्चुअली वांट कि हमें कोविड ना हो, और अगर हो तो उसकी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ना हो? प्लीज गिव मी अ यस इन द चैट बॉक्स. Right. I think all of us want that. And you know why I am doing this webinar today like this, right? On vitamin D, autoimmunity and COVID. Because 4 दिन पहले, I think 4-5 दिन पहले न्यूज़पेपर में न्यूज़ थी that we have entered the second phase. But उससे 10-15 दिन पहले से मैं क्या देख रही थी that in my practice, most of my patients or their relatives were writing messages to me saying someone in their loved ones has got infected. So I thought that I must do something to give back to the society so that we can handle this pandemic better. Second, post-COVID complications are becoming very complicated. हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कि उसमें क्या करें, और पेशेंट्स 2 महीने, 3 महीने, 4 महीने बाद भी दर्दों के साथ, फटीग के साथ, कफ के साथ आ रहे हैं, and treatment is not very easy. And therefore, this is one disease where prevention is better than cure. Right? So I thought, let me do this together, because even if 100 people join me, right? We are almost 100 right now. 100 can speak to 10 each, and we can reach to 1,000, and then those 1,000 can reach to lakhs. Because even today, so today I had patients in my clinic, very, very learned patients. And you know what? Their vitamin D was 7 and 19, and they were not taking vitamin D. So what I'm trying to tell you is, after this data, you will realize कि यार इतनी छोटी सी चीज है और हम वो भी नहीं कर रहे. So there are a lot of studies showing that COVID-19 infection can be actually taken care of good levels of vitamin D. Every government, including Indian government, has given guidelines saying every doctor must give vitamin D supplementation to their patients. COVID-19 severity by vitamin D level. Look at this. If your vitamin D is less, this is where you are. Red one is the critical zone then. But if your vitamin D is more than 30, almost no one is getting into emergency, friends. And this data is from grassrootshealth.net. Very, very nice organization, very realistic data. Now look at this. This is an eye opener. जैसे जैसे आपका विटामिन डी अगर 30 से ऊपर है, राइट, आपकी डेथ रेट्स कम है. जैसे जैसे आपका विटामिन डी बढ़ता है, वैसे वैसे डेथ रेट्स कम हो रही हैं. राइट? Possible role of vitamin D in suppressing cytokine storm. Look at this. As your vitamin D increases, because this is vitamin D, जैसे ही 30 से ऊपर आपका विटामिन डी गया, आपका डेथ जो है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड कितना स्टीपली कम हो गया. So friends, what studies are showing us is that vitamin D is not an optional supplement. It is a non-negotiable cellular necessity. It's your life health support system. And friends, let me tell you, I am not saying this. This Dr. Renu Madhani is saying and is trying to spread this message. I have been trained by her, and she only made me aware of this fact. She has been trained by Dr. Coimbra, who is known to treat autoimmune diseases with vitamin D. I don't know whether you've heard about this or not. Treating autoimmune diseases with high doses of vitamin D. Very effective protocol. So Renu Madhani is the torch bearer for that in India. You can Google her up on my YouTube if you will go. My channel is Food, Medicine and Lies. You will find a video with Dr. Renu talking about vitamin D, where you can actually get more information also. So let's look at something more. This is actually, I actually, was hit by this slide, and I'm sure you will be too. Let's see what this is saying. This is saying that till 1997, we all had vitamins D to the level of 50 plus. Right? And this is the time, if you can go back, you will know this is the time when we Indians started using AC a lot. We changed our lifestyle. We started staying indoors. Look at the steep decline in vitamin Ds. And this is also the time when diabetes, migraine, hypertension, cardiac diseases have increased like this. So friends, what I'm trying to tell you is, this is not hearsay. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी ने आज आज डॉक्टर रेनू ने या आज डॉक्टर प्रीति ने उठ के सोचा कि हम ये बोलेंगे एंड बोल रहे हैं. नो, there is science to back it up, there is data to support it. You just have to follow it, friends, and we can get out of this COVID pandemic very quickly and very easily. Now look at this. What is healthy vitamin D level for health beyond bones? 0 to 30 is deficient, 31 to 39 is insufficient, 40 to 80 is sufficient. So please, friends, keep your vitamin D between 40 and 80. And if you have not got your vitamin D tested in last 6 months, don't worry and take vitamin D supplementation for 3 months. I promise you it will only benefit you. You will have no downside. Look at this. The toxic level is 150. So there was a time when we started doing vitamin D. Right? And we used to say vitamin D is toxic because it's fat soluble. And we used to say that because उस टाइम पे इतनी deficiency नहीं थी. अब तो I get numbers like 3, 6, 10 very easily. So friends, please don't ignore this and do this. So people are asking me, what is the dose then? Right? Literature says that you have to take vitamin D 60,000 IU if you are in India, 50,000 IU if you are outside of India for 3 days at a row. So आप कल विटामिन डी लोगे 60,000 IU, परसों लोगे और उसके नेक्स्ट डे लोगे. And उसके बाद आप once a week लोगे for 2 months. And this is non-negotiable, please. If you are not on vitamin D, you cannot commit a bigger crime than this. Please, friends, I'm saying crime. Nothing less. Now, I know people will ask me, supplements नहीं लेने तो खाने से हो जाएगा क्या? Sorry, खाने से नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? Because there are very few fishes and non-veg where you get vitamin D. In vegetarian, you have to have food which is, which has vitamin D added to it, or mushrooms can give you some vitamin D, but it is not as much as we require. Sunshine is the best source of vitamin D. And what do you need for that? You have to be outside in the sun with 70% body exposed. How much? 70%. And for 45 minutes to 2 hours between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. If you have heard me right, do share the time. Do share the time. Yes, 11 to 3. So friends, don't let yourself be misguided. And let me tell you, this is from John Cannell, vitamin D researcher, who says, worrying about vitamin D toxicity is like worrying about drowning when you are dying of thirst. Right? So now when you have understood why you have to take vitamin D, I want to add few more things so that with vitamin D, if you do those in your house, we can actually decrease the incidence of COVID and also decrease the incidence of autoimmunity. Right? So I want to introduce you to an app which is available on Android now, on which you can actually find out what is your risk of having viral infection. So a study was done and found out that the test we are doing has 67% accuracy, but this app finds out the probability of infection by about 92% efficacy. And this study was done with Medanta, so we can trust it. But few other things which we all should keep into account for COVID. हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, post COVID or pre COVID. Please avoid sugar in your eating plans. Why? Because sugar actually hampers your health. Body can generate energy from proteins, stored fat, and glucose. But external bodies, that is viruses, they need sugar. And that is why if you eat sugar, you help virus to grow. You know, very interestingly, I do a program for autoimmune condition, which is elimination diet, right? And with that elimination diet, what I've seen, patients who have fungal infection because of which उनको autoimmunity हुई है, ठीक है? उसमें बहुत ही impressive जो feedback या मुझे आता है is, उन patients की तबीयत खराब होने लग जाती है the moment they leave sugar. Why? Because we are not killing virus, we are not treating fungi, and we are not giving food to fungi. So fungi actually revolt, right? So sugar actually hampers in COVID times. If you have to do one thing after taking vitamin D, please, please, please avoid taking sugar. Use mustard oil for massage as well as in food. It actually helps body retain heat and is very good at this point of time. Very, very important, friends. Stress is a big, big, big culprit. How many of you think stress is a big culprit in us getting infected? Give me a yes in the chat box. In tea also no sugar. For children also try no sugar. And if you have to give sugar, you can, give through dates, through kishmish, through kajur, organic shakkar. But try to decrease it. Try to decrease it. Yes, stress. So what is one thing which I think with my patients works wonders? Stress kam karne ke liye. So I have made a 3-minute stress busting routine. How many of you can spend 3 minutes on yourself to calm yourself and tackle stress? How many of you can do that? Give me a yes. If you can do it, I'll tell you how to do this exercise. Great. So this is called abdominal breathing, right? If you go on my channel, Food, Medicine and Lies. So I have this channel, Food, Medicine and Lies on YouTube. Go on that and find my video on exercise for diabetics and exercise for PCOS. In the end of that 20-minute video, you will find a breathing technique. Please follow that. It is called abdominal breathing. And you know what? 3 minutes, if you do it before sleeping, you will shift from the sympathetic nervous system to the parasympathetic nervous system. And the pudding and the proof is, I did my test on Lifus app, which I just showed you 2 days back, right? And when we were reading the report, the guy said, ma'am, this is exactly the way it should be ideally. आपका सिंपैथेटिक पैरासिम्पैथेटिक और स्ट्रेस का बैलेंस एग्जैक्टली ऐसा होना चाहिए. आपने अचीव कैसे किया? And my answer to him was, I spent 3 minutes before sleeping doing abdominal breathing. It is not Kapalbharti, friends. It is not Kapalbharti. Please look at my YouTube channel and check. It is worth the effort. You will do it, right? So breathing is very, very important. Dark room when you sleep. Why do I say that? Results have found that even one night of irregular sleep can lead to insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can lead to diabetes. And diabetes increases your chances of COVID infection. Yes or no? How many of you say no? Nobody says no. Good. So what happens is our body organ cell dies and new cells are generated every day. Cells are regenerated in the night time. We all know our body heals during the night. By sleeping more in the dark, our virus affected cells are replaced by new cells, and it helps the body to cope up with infection. How cool is that? Is this difficult to do? ये मुश्किल है क्या करना? जनरली पहले हम डार्क रूम में ही सोते थे, बट आजकल व्हाट आई सी इज या तो हमारे फोन साथ में पड़े होते हैं, या हमारे आईपैड साथ में पड़े होते हैं, या हम कुछ देखते देखते टेक पे सो जाते हैं, लाइट्स आ रही होती है, द रूम इज नॉट कंप्लीटली डार्क. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट योर रूम इज कंप्लीटली डार्क. And friends, I have a request to make. Can I make a request to all of you? All the participants who are here, we are 98 right now. Can I make a request to all of you? Thank you, Reena. Thank you, Rita. Thank you, Anshika. I want all of you to share what we are talking today with at least 10 people tomorrow. It's a Sunday. Will you all do that? If you find somebody is not taking vitamin D, gift them vitamin D. Please share this knowledge. Cases are increasing and it is very traumatic. जिनके घर में किसी को कोविड हुआ है, वो पक्का मेरे साथ एग्री करेंगे कि बहुत ट्रॉमेटिक है, बहुत टेंशन हो जाती है. एंड ये छोटी छोटी चीजें करना इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट एट ऑल. फ्रेंड्स, इफ आई कैन डू दिस, राइट, I need your support to take this message far and wide. Please share it. Please go on your Facebook channel, YouTube channel, talk about it. I will support you wherever you need my support. Let's spread the word and let's get COVID free. Now, there's certain other things which I have seen works with my patient, right? So, Anjali, if you are asymptomatic but are COVID positive, please follow all of these things. You will come out stronger. अगर हम उल्टा लेट के सोते हैं, it is shown that it helps taking out the virus. Yes, 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 vitamin D works wonders. And very, very important, please follow intermittent fasting during these days. Now, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is between your dinner and between your breakfast. Your fasting time should be anywhere between 12 hours to 16 hours. Best is 16 hours, but if you are a diabetic, if you are low on cortisol, if you have any other problems, 12 hours is the minimum fasting. So if you have had your dinner at 9 p.m., what is the time you will have your breakfast then? What is the time between which you will have your breakfast? If you've had your dinner at 9 p.m., so 9 a.m., but what is the best? If you've had your dinner at 9 p.m., you can have your breakfast between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Yes. Not 7 a.m., please, Poonam. If you take this one change back today, you have invested your time correctly. Right? Ventilated room is very important. So जब COVID शुरू हुआ था, there were some information saying, use your ACs with your windows open. Please do that. Yes, Jyoti, have early dinner, but 12 hours fasting is mandatory. Because good amount of oxygen is very, very important for us to stay away from infections. And very, very important, right, is paracetamol ruins your immunity. If your fever does not increase beyond 101, don't use paracetamol. Let your body fight your infection. Now, let me show you the results of the study we did yesterday. So, I've put two reports here. One is my report and one is one of my patient's reports. And you can see it is 18th September, Friday ki report hai. So, what did we see? We saw that my heart rate is 69, which is at its ideal best, right? No, but doctors should not give, Anjali. And my viral infection risk is only 20%, which means it's very low. Why? Because whatever I have shared with you now, I have been doing it for the last 6 months. I am on daily vitamin D. If I don't take daily, I take 60,000 IU weekly. When I started 6 months back, my vitamin D was 17. Today, my vitamin D is 57. I just got it checked a month back. So I'm sure now it would be 65 or something. And I am fine taking it to 70. So friends, abhi recently na, I was listening to an interview of my mentor, the #1 functional medicine doctor in the world. And you know, the person who was interviewing him asked him, how can I find a good functional medicine doctor? What was the answer? So Priya, generally we don't get into vitamin D access. Take it for 3 months, break it for 1 month and take it again for 3 months. And get it checked. Blood test is very simple and very reasonable. Or you can use this device test. I'm going to offer you this. This also gives us an indication of our vitamin D levels, whether they are normal, high or low. So the answer that doctor gave was, go to a doctor who uses the same principles on himself or herself. Because unless I do it, you can be sure I'm not convinced about it, right? So I thought, let me show you my... So when I saw this report yesterday, I became so relaxed. You know, I go to the clinic every day. We meet different type of patients. There is exposure. Cases are increasing. But I know I am sorted, right? Now look at the next report. Heart rate 49, viral infection risk 63%, that is high. What did we do? I immediately told her, please stop going out. Don't go for any grocery shopping and all. Start your vitamin D, your curcumin, your omega-3, your zinc, your quercetin, all supplements which we want for, you know, COVID infection not to get hold of us. And I said 2 weeks, we will have our viral infection risk screening again through this app, which you can do it at your home. It is so simple. And let's see how we proceed. And the patient was very happy and she agreed. And I think we have decided that, you know, we are going to work on our immunity. So friends, what I want to tell you is that we should fight Corona smartly and stay safe, right? And I'm just sharing this here that I am offering you a 1-month immunity booster food pack plus supplements. And supplements are worth 2,000 rupees. Vitamin D, vitamin C and B12 for 1 month. And this test, which I just showed you, twice we will do it in the beginning of your program and in the end of the program to know your viral risk. Just in 3,000 rupees, right? So if you think you or somebody else would want this, you can make the payment now or later. These are the payment details. And I am open for questions because the purpose here is that all of you go back and help at least 10 people not to get infected with COVID. Are you with me? So I've given you the payment link here. You can also Google Pay at the number which I have given here and on the slide. And I am open for questions. Please ask me. The name of the app is Lyphus. Lyfas. I'll show you here. It is written, yes, Lyphus. I think you can see my slide. Yeah, so this is the name of the app. Fortis is also using it now. A lot of other people are using it. So you can use it. And please, we all know, and Ralph Waldo Emerson rightly said, first wealth is health. Yes? And I'm sure you agree with me on this. I am open for questions. Please feel free to ask whatever questions you have, and I will love to answer. Meanwhile, if you are having any difficulty making payments, do let me know and we will help you. You can just send your name to me and we can help you get that. Yes, questions, please. Yes, please. With high BP and thyroid also, you can take vitamin D. You must take vitamin D. My YouTube channel is Food, Medicine and Lies. Food, Medicine and Lies by Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal. Friends, anytime if patient is having sarcoidosis and low in vitamin D, is it that vitamin D should be taken? I will want to take your history also, right? So you can book a 15-minute free consultation with me, Prachiti, and I will let you know what you need to take. I'm asthmatic, can't sleep on stomach. Don't do sleep on stomach, but do the other things, Truptila, right? Pain in legs every time, give suggestion. Friends, if she has pain in leg, first get her vitamin D and B12 checked. It is sun deficiency. Get her omega-3s corrected in her diet. Right? So add good fats. Coconut oil, desi ghee, butter. Don't be afraid of fats. Also check cramping तो नहीं होती क्या? क्योंकि अगर cramping होती है, then she is deficient in magnesium. So Google foods and vegetables which are rich in magnesium and give her those. CKD patients में we have to be careful, ठीक है? But उनका विटामिन डी चेक कराओ और अगर ठीक नहीं है तो प्लीज वी कैन गिव consult a doctor. You can speak to me, you can talk to any other doctor near you, but don't have low vitamin D. People should not apply sunscreen, Praveen, but प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हमें डरा दिया गया है कि सनस्क्रीन लगाएंगे तो कैंसर हो जाएगा. एज इंडियंस हम लोगों को वैसे ही टैनिंग की बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहती है, राइट? तो दैट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस. मेरे हिसाब से अगर हमें हेल्थ के बारे में बात करनी है तो सनस्क्रीन यूज नहीं करना चाहिए, और अगर हम सनस्क्रीन यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमें विटामिन डी की सप्लीमेंटेशन कर लेनी चाहिए, राइट? Is pain in hips or thighs during pregnancy also a deficiency? Definitely yes. And let me tell you, pregnancy पे टाइम पे जो लोग विटामिन डी खाते हैं उनका बेबी भी हेल्दियर होता है और वो भी हेल्दी होते हैं. So check with your gynec and ask कि क्या हो रहा है. एस्थमा, तृप्ति लता, एस्थमा में भी एक तो विटामिन डी वगैरह अपना सही रखो, ठीक है? सेकेंड इज एस्थमा में जनरली आपको कोई ना कोई एलर्जी होती है अगर हम कॉज पे जाते हैं तो, ठीक है? अब ये एलर्जी आपको चेक करनी पड़ेगी आपको किस चीज से है, क्योंकि अगर आपको एलर्जी है तो मेरा स्कोप ये रहता है कि मैं एलिमिनेशन डाइट करवाती हूँ, पहले एलर्जीज पता करती हूँ, फिर आपकी डेफिशिएंसीज चेक करती हूँ, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर एबल टू डिक्रीज देयर एपिसोड्स ऑफ एस्थमा वेरी significantly by these two things. And third is breathing. So check my video on exercise and incorporate breathing from today itself in your daily routine, right? Vitamin C must be taken with vitamin D, ठीक है? और विटामिन सी की खासियत क्या है? विटामिन डी जब भी आपने लेना है तो नारियल के तेल या देसी घी के साथ लेना है, या ऑलिव ऑयल. इफ यू टेक इट विद फैट एब्जॉर्प्शन इंक्रीजेस, ठीक है? विटामिन सी जब भी लेना है तो दिन में 3-4 बार जरूर लेना है, क्योंकि विटामिन सी का हाफ लाइफ बहुत छोटा होता है. सपोजिंग आप नींबू पानी पी रहे हो या आंवला ले रहे हो, तो मैंने देखा सुबह उठ के तो सब ले रहे हैं, बट व्हाट आफ्टर 12 PM, व्हाट आफ्टर 4 PM? सो स्पेस योर विटामिन सी इन अ वे कि आपको हर थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद मिलता रहे वो, राइट? यस. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? आई थिंक सम पीपल हैव रजिस्टर्ड फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. रिमेंबर, मैं सिर्फ सप्लीमेंट्स और टेस्ट के चार्ज कर रही हूँ इसमें. आई एम नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग फॉर द डाइट प्लान, आई एम नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग फॉर अस, बिकॉज दिस वेबिनार इज ओनली टू शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन. ये जो मैंने आपको दिया है ऑफर, ये ऑफर आपको कभी भी मिलेगा. डाइट प्लान के चार्जेस में नहीं चार्ज कर रही हूँ आजकल. आई वॉन्ट पीपल टू बी हेल्दी. I want people to be healthy. I want people to be, able to work, and I want India to get back on feet again, right? No, for small children, you have to give less doses. you can multiply their weight with 100 and that is going to be this thing. So Lakshmi, I don't have a diet chart which I am offering here, right? You can go on my website and you will get an immunity diet chart there. And this is my website. Chronic cervical pain can be a result of vitamin D deficiency. So vitamin D to definitely ठीक कर लो. It can be a result of posture. It can be a result of magnesium, zinc and other problems. But पहले vitamin D तो ठीक करो. That's the easiest you have to do it. Right? If you are an adult, Alka, 1000 IU vitamin D कुछ नहीं करेगा रोज का. I am taking 10,000 IU daily. So the minimum you have to take is 5,000 IU daily. 5,000 IU विटामिन डी रोज का, 60,000 IU पहले 3 दिन और उसके बाद में रोज वो. कैल्शियम आई डोंट रेकमेंड टू मच, राइट? बिकॉज कैल्शियम का ना अब बहुत साइंस बदल गया है. वी नीड मैग्नीशियम ऑल्सो टू गेट विटामिन डी इन आवर सेल्स. एक्सेस कैल्शियम क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम. So I generally tell people don't get into calcium supplementation too much. हमें खाने में ठीक ठाक मिलता है. विटामिन डी लो. अगर आपको क्रैम्पिंग्स हो रही है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो रही है, तो मतलब मैग्नीशियम कम है, मैग्नीशियम लो. कोविड टाइम्स में अगर आपको डाइजेशन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, जिंक ऐड करना इज अ गुड आइडिया. एंड अपने B12 ठीक रखो. राइट? Very, very important, friends. Very, very, very important. और कोई questions? And I also wanted to share, Neha, on your question on autoimmunity. Neha, in Coimbra's protocol में ना, we do this high dose vitamin D for autoimmune patients. Multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto's, lupus, you name autoimmune disease, even type 1 diabetes. Lots and lots of people are benefiting. Connect with a doctor like me जो कि कोइम्ब्रास प्रोटोकॉल कर रहा है. एंड अगर आप ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज के पेशेंट को जानते हो तो प्लीज उसको बोलो, उसको एक्सप्लोर करें. नॉट एक्सपेंसिव, वेरी रीजनेबल, मिरेकुलस रिजल्ट्स. एंड इफ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू, यू विल गेट योर लाइफ बैक. राइट? सो प्लीज ट्राई इट. विटामिन सी आप 3000 mg तक ले सकते हो रोज. तो 500 की 6 गोलियां, 5 गोलियां यू कैन टेक. वनीजैन विटामिन डी तो ठीक रखना ही है आपने. एसिडिटी में वनीजैन 2-3 चीजें होती हैं. फंक्शनल मेडिसिन अप्रोच में सबसे पहली चीज होती है आपको एसिडिटी हो क्यों रही है, एसिड कम है या ज्यादा है. व्हाट हैपेंस इज एलोपैथी में हम जब भी एसिडिटी होती है बस एंटासिड दे देते हैं, उससे बात नहीं बनती. इफ योर एसिड इज लेस then antacid will only deteriorate your condition. So पहले ये देखो एसिड कम है कि ज्यादा है, अकॉर्डिंगली ट्रीट करो. ठीक है? सेकंड, आप ये देखो आपको किसी चीज से एलर्जी तो नहीं हो रही, क्योंकि व्हेन यू ईट एलर्जिक फूड सब आपको एसिडिटी होती है. एंड थर्ड, आप ये देखो कि आपके एंजाइम्स वगैरह गड़बड़ तो नहीं हो रहे पेट में, जो हमें डाइजेशन के लिए चाहिए, बिकॉज तो भी हमें एसिडिटी एंड ब्लोटिंग होती है. ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस 25 पे हो भी सकता है. इन पेशेंट्स में जनरली क्या होता है, हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस रहता है, एंड सेकंड कैंसर की तरफ जाने की प्रोबेबिलिटी हाई होती है. सो आई थिंक वी शुड डू दैट. सोरियासिस अगेन, कोइम्ब्रा प्रोटोकॉल विल वर्क वंडर्स विद सोरियासिस. प्लीज एक कंसल्टेशन बुक करके अपनी हिस्ट्री दो, उसको सॉल्व करो एंड गेट ऑन कोइम्ब्रास प्रोटोकॉल. It can work wonders. Joint and heel pain, विटामिन डी ठीक करा लो, यूरिक एसिड चेक कर लो. सबसे पहले यही 2 चीजें, एंड एलर्जीज चेक कर लो. जो एलर्जीज है ना, ट्राई एलिमिनेशन डाइट फ्रेंड्स. Whenever I will do my new program, I will let you know. I keep doing it almost once a month. Anybody with any sorts of pains, that is one program you must go through once a year. Right? Yes. Any other questions? I think 3 people have. I don't do any test for allergy. मैं elimination diet कराती हूँ और उसी से पता करती हूँ आपको एलर्जी है कि नहीं। ठीक है, क्यों ऐसा करती हूं मैं? क्योंकि टेस्ट के बाद भी मुझे एलिमिनेशन डाइट करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज एलिमिनेशन डाइट इज योर पर्सनलाइज्ड बॉडी टेलिंग यू समथिंग, राइट? Alka, it is Coimbra, Dr. Coimbra protocol. I do that, and there are a lot of other doctors who do that. You can check this. Very good results. Very, very good results. Yes, Deepti, you have a question. Please ask. Rajesh, you have a question. Please ask. I've permitted you to speak. Yes.
I have just want to share. I'm suffering from like D3 and B12.
Okay.
So I'm taking supplements.
Perfect. So two things you must do. One is please take supplements.
Okay.
Second, also figure out deficient हो क्यों, especially B12 में. होता क्या है कि डी में तो हम सनलाइट की वजह से डेफिशिएंट हो रहे हैं.
नॉनवेज छोड़ दिया मैंने इसलिए.
हाँ, B12 में हम इसलिए डेफिशिएंट हो रहे हैं कई बार क्योंकि हमारा गट ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा. तो अगर कोई गट में इंफेक्शन है तो इट इज बेटर कि हम उसको ठीक कर लें. एंड थर्ड, B12 में डेफिशिएंसी उन पेशेंट्स में भी हो रही है जिनका गट लीकी हो रहा है या जिनको किसी तरह की एलर्जीज हो रही हैं.
इस विटामिन डी मेरा 24.32 है.
हाँ, तो आपको 50-60 तक जाना है.
और विटामिन B12 मेरा 196 है.
आपको 500 पे जाना है.
हाँ, काफी बढ़ाना पड़ता है.
हाँ, ये तो बेयर मिनिमम है ना. मतलब दिस इज लाइक समथिंग यू गेट अप एंड यू हैव टू ओपन योर आईज. इफ समबडी टेल्स मी मैं तो आंखें ही नहीं खोलूंगा,
हाँ, वो तो फायदा नहीं करता.
फिर तो कोविड होना ही होना है ना. मतलब आई थिंक ये तो बेल मुझे मार वाली बातें करनी नहीं चाहिए. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच दैट यू आर डूइंग इट. प्लीज डू इट. एंड अगर B12 और डी कम है तो आप आप जिंक भी करा लीजिए प्लीज. जिंक भी ले लीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए.
ठीक है. जिंक सप्लीमेंट.
हाँ, जिंकोनिया के नाम से आता है. 50 mg आता है.
ओके.
प्लीज एड दैट इन योर रूटीन. आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प यू.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you, thank you. Balance sympathetic drive. Sunita, I told you, go on my channel and check for this exercise. Last 5 minutes is what I want you to see. Do it for 6 weeks. You can also take this Lifers test, right? You can call on the number which I showed you on the screen. I will give you here also. Book your Lifers test and do it and book it after 1 month and see breathing से क्या फर्क पड़ा है. Right? Do it, do it, do it. Friends, कोविड ने गूगल करो यार, जिंक के सारे फूड्स मिल जाएंगे. B12 डेफिशिएंसी के लिए B12 के सप्लीमेंट्स आते हैं दीप्ति. मैं BAM प्लस यूज करती हूँ, बट देयर आर मेनी सप्लीमेंट्स व्हिच यू गेट इन द मार्केट. राइट? Perfect. Any other questions? I think we've exceeded. Yeah, we have 2 more minutes to go. If you have any other questions, please ask. And please share this with people. Please, please, please share this with people. Yeah, Dr. Sophia and Shivani Anand. I've unmuted you. Please unmute yourself. अलका, अपनी डिजीज ठीक करो जो आपकी है, एनर्जी अपने आप बढ़ जाएगी.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ मैम, आई वांट टू आस्क अबाउट द PCOD. आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट. सो व्हाट इज द मेडिसिन शुड आई टेक? व्हाट मेडिसिन्स?
यार ऐसे कहना बहुत मुश्किल है, बट एक बार अगर आप अपना हार्मोन प्रोफाइल चेक करा लो. सी, PCOS में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस. राइट? You start working on your insulin resistance, you will start improving.
Okay.
But अगर आप किसी के साथ काम कर लोगे, जैसे I started working with PCOS 5 years back and I've had some beautiful results with PCOS. In fact, बहुत सारी PCOS girls ने conceive कर लिया naturally after correcting their insulin resistance and their hormones in balance. So just try, keeping all that correct. विटामिन डी अपना सही रखो, B12 सही रखो. प्लीज डू दैट.
Okay.
राइट? श्वेता, इफ यू स्टिल फील पेन, लेट्स गेट ऑन अ कॉल एंड फिगर आउट और क्या हो सकता है. राइट? यस. Perfect. Thank you very much for joining me. I really wanted all of you to once again realize that यार कोविड हमारे हाथ में है. I know हम सब बहुत ध्यान रख रहे हैं अपना, पर कहीं पर कुछ कुछ रह जा रहा है. Let's not leave any stone unturned. We have to get out of this situation and we have to get back to our normal routine and course. Yes or no? Anybody who thinks no, we don't want to get back to normal? We all want to get back to normal, right? So let's do these little things. They will actually impact you positively in every possible state of your health. Vitamin D has been found to help even mental diseases. And it's the cheapest supplement available. Right? So let's do that. And all the best. Enjoy your Sunday and share this with at least 10 people tomorrow. This is your give back time to the society. Right? Yes. Bye-bye. Take care.